This is what our solar system really looks like. Today, we are just going to focus on the planets. As you can see, this is what the planets look like. They go in certain paths called orbits, but we'll think of them like this today. They are still in their orbits, but we won't pay attention to that. We will discuss the order, names, colors, and a few other details.
We are going to make a bookmark to help you remember each of them. So notice that I have 9 circles. We'll start by coloring the first one a yellow-orange color. So on the left side, you'll start over here. The big one over here, you're going to color yellow-orange. And it might help to draw rays on it like I did to help you remember that this is the sun. The sun is not a planet. So the first planet that we're actually going to do is Mercury. And this is what Mercury looks like. We will color it gray with patches like in the picture. One thing to remember is that the sun is really hot. So Mercury is closest to the sun, so it is the hottest planet. It is also the smallest planet. Next is Venus. Venus is the second planet. It is a yellow-brown color, so you can color it that way. It also has patches, so make sure to include those. Venus is the second closest to the sun, so it is the second hottest planet. The third planet is probably one you recognize pretty well. The third planet is Earth. This is a planet that we live on. We'll color this one green and blue, showing the difference between the water and the land. You might have seen in the picture that it's kind of white. That is because there are clouds. The next planet is Mars. It is a red-brown color because its soil has a lot of iron in it. Next is Jupiter. This is the biggest planet. We'll color Jupiter orange, and then make sure you color a little red spot on it because Jupiter has a storm on it that has lasted for over 350 years. Next is Saturn. This planet is special because it has rings on it, you might notice. You're going to color this one yellow, and then you're going to color 4 dark brown rings and then 3 light brown. So you're going to have one dark brown, the next one, the next one, the next one, and then in between there you'll color the light brown for the other 3. Make sure you make 7 of them total. Next is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet, and you'll color this one a blue-green color. And lastly is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet because it is the farthest away from the sun. We'll color this one blue, and it has areas of darker blue, so make sure you color those. And these dark blue spots are storms, but the storms on Neptune aren't as bad as the storms on Jupiter. Here are the 2 most important bits of information that you need to remember. The sun is hot, so the planets that are closer to the sun are warmer. That means Mercury is the hottest planet and Neptune is the coldest. Also, you need to remember the names, so we'll make up a phrase to help you remember, starting with each letter of their name.